With InventoryLab, you can share your items to Amazon FBA without ever visiting Seller Central. To get started, mouse over List in the top menu, then choose List and Prep. Hit Start a Batch. The batch name will default to the date and time when you created the batch. However, you can replace this with any name you'd like. You may choose to find this batch again in the future, so it's a good idea to give it an easy-to-remember name. Under Channel, choose Fulfilled by Amazon FBA. Up next is your shipping contact. This can only be changed by the owner of your InventoryLab account. If you're the owner, you can learn how to do this in our article, Updating Your Shipping Contact. The ship from address is usually pre-selected, but be sure to select one if it's blank. You can select or change the address with the drop-down menu. If needed, you can even add a new address by clicking the plus sign on the right. Make sure all 4 settings are correct. Some of these settings cannot be changed after you create your batch. If you're happy with all of them, click Batch Settings. Use the Box Contents toggle to decide whether you will use InventoryLab to send your box contents to Amazon. Turning this off will save you from needing to tell Amazon which items are in which boxes, but you'll have to pay additional fees. It will take longer for your inventory to appear on Amazon. Most sellers turn box contents on for the lower fees and faster processing time. With box contents on, you can use the drop-down to choose between using feeds or 2D barcodes to provide the contents of your boxes. Note that in order to use 2D barcodes, you must have an option enabled in Seller Central. To check, log into Seller Central and mouse over the gear icon in the upper right. Choose Fulfillment by Amazon. Scroll down to Inbound Settings and you'll see the option 2D Barcodes for box content information. If this is listed as disabled, click Edit. Switch the setting to Enable, then hit Update. You can now return to InventoryLab and choose On using 2D Barcode if preferred. Let's take a look at the Min-Max Preference dropdown. Here you'll have 3 options: Save to InventoryLab, Send to Amazon, or Do Not Capture. Using Save to InventoryLab will keep your minimum and maximum prices secret from Amazon. They will only be sent to any repricer you have integrated, such as Smart Repricer. They will also be saved to your MSKUs, and you can export them anytime for uploading to other tools. Send to Amazon will send your price ranges to Seller Central when you submit your batch. This is a popular choice because it can help prevent Amazon from shutting down your listings with high pricing errors. If you use Amazon's repricer, it will also use your min-max prices automatically. Finally, the prices will be sent to any other integrated repricer saved to your MSKUs, just like with Save to InventoryLab. If you don't want to set min-max prices for this batch, click Do Not Capture. Moving down, you'll see the buy list import options. Leave this set to No Buy List Selected if you haven't created any buy lists. If you do have a buy list, click Select from Scoutify or Select from File. You can then choose your Scoutify buy list or upload your CSV. See our article, Importing Your Buy List for more info. The last thing to choose is how you'll ship to Amazon. Under Freight, select Less Than Truckload LTL if you need to ship your boxes on pallets. You should consider this option if you plan to send at least 150 pounds of goods to a single fulfillment center, or you have any large, heavy items that require pallets. If you don't need to use any pallets, choose Small Parcel Delivery instead. If you choose LTL, you'll have one more choice to make: pack type. If you select Pack First, you will box your items first. Amazon will then give you options for where to send your boxes. Finally, with boxes assigned to their destinations, you will label and palletize your boxes. This is the best choice if you want to make the boxing process as efficient as possible, as you control what goes into each box. If you select Pack Last, Amazon will determine which of your items should go to which destinations first. They'll provide a list of destinations for you to choose from. Then, you'll box your items according to which ones are going to be sent to the same fulfillment center. Then label and palletize your boxes. This is a good choice if you want to build your pallets as efficiently as possible, as you can add boxes and pallets as soon as they're packed. Once you're happy with all your choices, click Start Your Batch. Congrats! You've just created your batch. It's ready and waiting for you to add or review your items.